Well, a lot of home buyers and homeowners are drawing a line in the sand when it comes to interest rates. They feel that 5.5% is the highest rate that they're willing to pay. According to John Burns research, over 70% of Americans have an interest rate below 4%, and 90% of Americans have an interest rate below 9.5%. Of course, we know that is highly due to the pandemic and then what's called quantitative easing, where the government has bought bonds, U.S. bonds, that have suppressed interest rates. Before that, the common interest rate, the 50-year average, has been 7.53%, as most of us know by now. With that being said, Americans are saying, we don't want to buy a house, we don't want to sell our existing home, we feel stuck in our position, but we don't want to reach out and make that purchase unless interest rates go down closer to that 5.5% marker. With that being said, the housing market is still very resilient. What we're finding is 25% of Americans are paying cash for homes, which is very high, comparatively speaking, to the industry average in the past has been well under 20%. Most of the time, less than 20% of Americans are paying cash for their homes, where it's greater than 25% right now. In addition, we know that home inventory is at its all-time low. There are very few houses available on the market, and the houses that are available, if they're priced correctly, are going with multiple offers and are going fast. Those homes that are sitting on the market is just because it's priced incorrectly and they have not come down in the price to meet demand. So where does that leave us? Well, whatever line in the sand you want to draw as a buyer, you can do it as long as you are willing to pay the price and stay in your home. A lot of homeowners are feeling stuck. According to John Burns research, over 60% of Americans feel stuck in their homes. They would like to do a move, but they refuse to, given where interest rates are at. Interest rates being in the mid-sevens are just the average rate, what interest rates have been over 50 years. So it remains to be seen, this tug of war of pushing and pulling. And of course, with home starts and new construction, that is always an avenue of great proportions that would lend into developing our land so that we have more houses available for folks. Regardless, we'll see what happens in the upcoming weeks with interest rates and with buyers' desires and their tiredness of being in their existing homes. This is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One with a fantastic mortgage rate update for you this week. I hope you have an outstanding week and go and sell some homes. Thank you for watching.